What's up everyone, welcome to Ram Reborn. Today's video, we're gonna keep it simple, straight to the point. We'll be installing the iDRIVE into the 2019 Ram Power Wagon 25. Let's get right into it. So here is the unboxing. You get a nice little case or box. So you get like an alcohol prep pad to go ahead and clean the surface, which you'll be mounting the iDRIVE device to. Get a little decal, the actual system. So it's fairly small, straightforward. You can set your modes and set their different rates here as well. So here, as far as the connections, you have your male and your female, in which you'll be mounting to the original harness inside the truck, which I'll show you in a little bit, and then go ahead and install the iDRIVE. Pretty straightforward. So pretty cool. You also get another sticker in here, 2 zip ties for some cable management, which is pretty neat. A simple box, straightforward, and it does have the instructions as well. Now real quick guys, one of the biggest takeaways is wait 10 minutes before you go ahead. So if you just moved your vehicle into position, wait at least 10 to 15 minutes to go ahead. That way the check engine light or the check light doesn't come on, and then or you can also disconnect the battery as well. All right, so I'm in the interior now. As you can see, we got the brake pedal, gas. So right here we have one hex bolt, and there's another one over there, right there. Zoom in a little bit. So they're 930 seconds. This is a 2019 Ram 2500. So not sure if you're gonna have it in your truck. Technically, I can do this without removing it and just reaching back, but I'm gonna free this up, take this cover off right here. That way I have a little bit more working space. So yeah, I got some shop towels right here. Placed it on the floor mat itself, so that way it doesn't scratch up, the dirt doesn't scratch up the actual panel. So let's go ahead and get to the install real quick. So what we're looking for is this right here. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect this piece. Just like that. And go ahead and connect our iDRIVE. So now we have the male connected into the female that was originally going into the top of the pedal there. Now we have this female connection, which is gonna go right there, which I freed up. That's it, you guys. So this is where I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna clean this area up real quick with the included wipe, and then go ahead and mount it right here. I'll show you the finished product. And so you can see the extra loose wire. This is where the zip ties come in play. And then I'll show you a clean, as far as a cleaned up install, put everything back, and show you the finished product. Guys, just a little update in regards to the included wipe. You're gonna go ahead and wipe in one direction, flip over and wipe in the other direction as per the instructions. There is the final product right here, the install. You still have the cover on here, peel that off, but it's everything cleaned up, everything's put back, and the 2 hex bolts put back. So if you guys are new to the channel, please drop a like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification for upcoming videos. Also, I'll leave a link down below to the site, and use code RAMNATOR for 10% off your purchase. And I'll be doing a follow-up video, basically giving my insights and is it worth the buy up in the future. I'm about to give it a month, that way I can do some real judgment and compare and contrast and give you guys my input. Have a great day. So real quick, you guys, had to do a quick follow-up. This is just a bloopers extra here, whatever you want to call it. But I did a drive around the neighborhood, and damn, I feel like I can get in trouble with her now. I got the Solo Performance exhaust, and this, I'm just speechless. I'm impressed with just the first drive. So that upcoming video, as I mentioned earlier, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be positive. But like I said, we'll see. Have a great day.